What's up, world? Yeah, you. I'm Travis Scott. This is my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder with lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, and bacon. Here's my fries. Sometimes I do this. Then I dip them into barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and my Sprite. Same order since back in Houston, and you can try it too. Gotta go. The Travis Scott meal, just $6. Say Cactus Jack sent you.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Eric with Eric C Production, and I am making a Travis Scott burger that you'd find at McDonald's for a limited time. And just wanted to show everybody the ingredients and how to make one. First, you take the quarter pounder patty, you melt cheese, 2 pieces of bacon, shredded lettuce, cut onions, 2 pickles, mustard, ketchup, sesame seed bun, with an extra slice of cheese. And that is a Travis Scott burger. It looks good, right? Just kidding. Anyway, I'm going to assemble it and then okay, so what I do is take the bottom bun, take the cheese, put it on the bottom. My hands are clean, so bear with me here. Put another piece of put it on here. Some lettuce, shredded lettuce. Put some onions, pickles, bottom. Put the mustard. Of course, they have a little pre-served scoop of squirt of ketchup, and you put it on there. You can see that. And then you have your McDonald's style French fries, and there you go. So that is a Travis Scott quarter pounder, bacon and cheese. That's the Travis Scott burger that you saw at McDonald's. Really simple, and that's how they do it. If you're really in the mood for a different kind of burger also, you can caramelize onions, add a little bit of the special sauce, the McDonald's secret sauce or special sauce or whatever you want to call it, and then just add some bacon as well, or not bacon, but caramelized onions, and you got yourself a In-N-Out style burger as well. So these are just a couple other little things that you can do to make your plain burger taste really good. And of course, you do it at home, you save all the money in the world. Except, you know, you don't have that atmosphere of, oh yeah, I forgot, we're in a pandemic, so you got to take it home anyway, or you eat it in the car. So either way, enjoy it from home, watch TV, watch YouTube. And once again, here's a little added little bonus to this video. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you.